We have gotten to a point on the trail that we're supposed to be, and it is a cave. All right, so might not want to go in here unless we got a flashlight. Luckily, we do have a really big flashlight. And we think we are supposed to go in this cave, but I'm really not too sure. And so, let's see how much our flashlight, it's got an X. And so down, somebody had an MRE. So, I tried to scare Whitney and it just didn't work. And so I ain't really much using that little bitty tiny flashlight. Anyway, oh no, we're not going down that way. Not at all. Yeah, okay, I guess not supposed to go into this cave. Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is James Mitchell, the TnCacher, coming to you again today. We're going to do another geocaching adventure, and this one is technically a multi, but it's more or less just because of the distance of parking in the trail so that it could get you on the right place. But I'm excited about it. It looks to be a beautiful view and a beautiful hike and a beautiful trail. We do have a visitor with us today, Whitney. She's a little camera shy. She didn't really want to be in the shot, but we'll fix her, hopefully eventually. And so, see if we can find this geocache. I've taken us a really long way around on this trail and somehow missed the cave that we're originally supposed to go into, and actually found it on the exit of the cave. Yeah, I'm a good geocacher. But here we go, we're gonna try to go the original way into the cave this time and find the geocache. We met some muggles on the way up as well, and so people have wrote in this cave they shouldn't. She's making it. Nice little spot for a picnic. Some birds been making their nest down here. The vulture is waiting for us. Was up there. Now he's moved and went up above us. You okay? I think that buzzard, vulture, is gonna wait on us and see if we die. That or poop on us one. Oh, no, he flew away a little further. I believe we have found where the geocache is supposed to be. Not entirely positive, but I think I found a geocache. All right, let's see what's in this puppy. Whitney has opened the geocache. We have our logbook here, which I have not signed yet. And we have a sticker. Use soccer. I don't think I want to use soccer swag sticker. SpongeBob SquarePants. Of course, this is SpongeBob. I don't remember what her name is.
Sandy.
Sandy. Okay, it's Sandy. Sandy looks like a rocker. Okay, I'm an idiot. And then I've got my little army men here. And so if you couldn't figure out, apparently they thought some of them were mature enough here, and then there was one that was still green, so he's a newbie in the army. Somebody has left a necklace here, and apparently it's not got a big enough head for this necklace, so I guess I'm just Pocahontas. We still got this too, but I don't think I want that. I don't think it matches me too well. And then a little, oh yeah. That bomber just blew up my phone. Go Vols. See, literally. Go Vols. Signed the logbook. Got it signed right there. Love it. Now we're going to see if we can make it back and not die. I think there's probably 5 or 6 caches on the way back, so see how many we can hit. Apparently my geosense is not as good as Whitney's is today, because I was just taking us all over the place for this one cache, and it seriously was directly off of the trail, and Whitney found it. I didn't find it. Find it. Official geocache. Imagine that. Bug spray. Whoa.
It's out.
Oh, well, no bug spray. We found another log. It's like 4 or 5 more left. I think we can get them all. Remember, cachers, always re-hide your finds. And if you can, be really evil about it and make it even harder to find. I'm evil. As a bonus last cache for all these that we did on this trail today, we have come across the geocacher's favorite ammo can. Thumbs up for an ammo can. This will be Whitney's first ammo can, so I'm going to let her open up that ammo can. It's just about Easter anyway, so remember, if you don't go, make your way to a church on Easter Sunday. So Whitney's looking at the swag and she's like, it's a gun. Well, she doesn't realize it's not a gun. It's a submarine.
That's enough.
just a little bit off.
No.
Ew. Wet logbook. Luckily, someone added a nice new logbook, so that's good. Bam! We have got this logbook signed. And I'm glad we got to find an ammo can today on this journey. So good idea was to get a close-up shot of a cactus. Bad idea was to get a close-up shot of the cactus. Ow! Because I'm still getting, probably can't even see it, but I'm still getting these little bitty tiny, stupid, prickly things from the cactus. And anytime my hand touches anything, now I broke it off, that's great. Make sure that you go down below and you hit that subscribe button. If you haven't checked out any of my other videos, make sure you go right over there to that side and you'll see that one play. And that's the previous geocaching adventure that I went on. And down there on the bottom of that, below that, is one of my other videos. So check those out before you leave and hit that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. See you again soon.